Gambia, a land rich in cultural heritage and tradition. The HerMap Gambia project, co-founded by the EU, has played a vital role in preserving and enhancing these treasures while empowering communities through training, capacity building, and sustainable tourism. Heritage. A global leader in heritage management and training, has been working in more than 120 countries, giving heritage managers the tool to transform their cultural assets into engines of economic and social development. In the Gambia, the organization's HerMap Gambia, co-founded by the EU, has supported more than 10 heritage initiatives, leaving a lasting legacy.
Thanks to heritage management through this support of EU, HerMap has signed an MOU with the Nyomi Fort Festival regarding heritage site capacity development and other stuff. And also develop more hope in the Fort Bullen restoration since the coming of HerMap.
More investment is needed in heritage. The BG Chilling is resourced how to preserve these heritage sites, how to maintain them, how to keep them, and to do further research. In fact, there is much still in the Gambia that could be excavated.
The Heritage Village Museum constitutes compounds representing each ethnic group of the Gambia, constructed in traditional architectural styles.
The museum will greatly contribute to the Gambian heritage, not only to juvenile breeder and culture, and equally in the preservation. Because if this is going to be composed of compounds of different tribes, Gambian, even students, at least will help them to come and see some of this material that our ancestors were used, benefiting from, and they are not being found today, but they can come and have the connection with those materials here.
Ko wiya aadaje cosaanje so ɗin aadaje cosaanje ko ɗum cosaan men mbaɗi ɗo because mawɓe men foloɓe suudu huɗo ɓe darnanno ko ɗum ɓe mbalta he dow so yama aadaje cosaanje ɗin cuuɗi bone aadaje cosaanje meɗen ɗi.
Well, the Fulani mud houses that are built in Kerr and Serrign in Central River region are significant to the Fulani culture because a lot of people that are interested in learning about the Fulani culture and tradition can come to these villages, and this will attract a lot of tourists. So people that are going to January can have a stop to this village, and as a result, when they come and visit, the visitor fee and all the economic activities that will be done during their time in this village can benefit the local people.
My name is Amadou Ba. I'm born and brought up in Galia village. My role in heritage, I am trying to bring arts way of culture, to bring some development in my village.
From what I have seen, the heritage and the inspiration they are giving to people to preserve of being supportive to their products or whatever they are doing through the heritage, to be in focus and try to meet of the elderly people, to be able to ask them about the history of how their place were going and how were the people living around the environment.
That our heritage is one of our powerful things as far as the community is concerned. So in terms of education, we use it as a basis for our children, our young generation to come. Some of the things they cannot see anymore because of things have been happening without even digital world. So but through heritage, we can educate our children and they can learn things from our cultural museum through our parents. So we see it is one of the mechanisms to educate our young ones. That is why even at the level of the formal education, sometimes researchers, they come to January, tertiary education, universities, colleges, they pass through here, and our own citizens trying to find out about January culture through heritage.
Beyond project support, HerMap Gambia has built a strong foundation for future generations. Over 200 individuals have gained essential skills in heritage management, while more than 30 trainers now have the expertise to continue this vital work, ensuring long-term sustainability.
I thought heritage was just about our, ancestors having their belief. But when I did this training, I learned about cultural heritage the importance and also tangible, intangible heritage. I learned about that. I also learned about event management and festival.
From trainings I have with them, I know more of exhibition skills and other stuff, protection skills, 3D trainings on this, digital 3D. It's a whole stuff. I am a different person. We are all a different person thanks to HerMap, because there is massive community liking and appreciation for HerMap and its existence.
The training that I received through Heritage influenced my work in such a way that it has broadened my knowledge and idea about the tradition and cultural preservation, and then how important this is to keep any ethnicity alive or by showcasing or managing their culture, their heritage, their tradition.
HerMap Gambia is more than just a program. It is a movement for sustainable heritage preservation, economic growth, and community empowerment. Its impact will continue to shape the cultural landscape for generations.